In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to Framer. We'll walk through the exact path inside Framer's interface so you can safely embed custom HTML or scripts, things like meta tags, analytics, or a small widget right where you need them. First, open Framer and load the project you want to edit. You should see your workspace with the canvas in the center. If you're not already on the correct project view, click Canvas, or use the drop-down at the top left to switch into it. This ensures you're working in the right context before changing any settings. Next, head into Settings. This is where all project-level configuration lives. Inside Settings, select the Code section. Framer centralizes custom code here so you can control what loads across your site without digging through individual pages. Click Add Script to create a new entry. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Something like Analytics or Support Widget works well and makes future troubleshooting easier. Choose the placement based on what your code needs. Head is ideal for meta tags, fonts, or scripts that must load early. Body or the end of body is better for visual embeds or scripts that don't need to block rendering. Framer will honor this placement on publish. Select the page scope. You can apply the code site-wide or limit it to specific pages. Use a narrow scope for experiments or features that only belong in one section to keep performance tight and avoid conflicts. Pick when it should run. For most HTML snippets and common scripts, running on page load is appropriate. If your snippet depends on the page being interactive, choose the later option to prevent errors. Now type or paste your code into the editor. Double-check for extra script tags if Framer handles them for you, and confirm any external URLs use HTTPS. When you're satisfied, click Add. That's it, your custom HTML is now configured in Framer, organized, and ready to go.